Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors LLP property channel. In this video, you are watching a 3 BHK flat for sale. It is an investor flat. The project name is Ananda Poetry Apartments. Developer is Ananda Homes and the project name is Poetry Apartments. Project situated at Narsingi. And this is nearly 4 acres gated community. 300 plus apartments are there. And Ananda Homes has completed the phase 1. In phase 1, there are 3 blocks: Peony, Orchid, and Erica. Along with Clubhouse, they have completed this project ago 1.5 year. You can see this is existing phase 1, which is very cleanly maintaining, and in terms of the structure and construction quality, they didn't compromise anywhere, and the quality is very good, and the community also built very good. This is in phase 1 Peony block. Ground level completely parking is there. Middle of the towers they did the landscaping and given the amenities like kids toddlers, tennis courts. You are watching ground floor parking slots. This is kids play area. The flat is 1605 SFT, east facing, is available for sale. Excluding registration, the property cost is 1 crore. This is ready to move flat. You can start your interior from March onwards. This flat is with single car parking for sale, 1605 SFT. You are watching the phase 1 video, and they are doing the construction in 2 phases. Ananda Homes Poetry phase 1 and phase 2 is they are calling Ananda Homes Poetry Extension. This is nearly 2 acres community phase 2. They did small barricade between the phase 1 and phase 2 because the construction is going on. External works almost near to the completion. Internal works also are going on. This is totally G plus 5 storied towers. This flat is available for sale in third floor out of 5 floors. You are watching the clubhouse area, driveways. This is the landscaping they did among the towers, tennis court, and they have given all the indoor amenities inside the clubhouse. It is very proximity to IT corridor, financial district, 10 minutes drive from Wipro circle. ORR is 5 minutes drive to this property. It has 2 entrances. One is from Narsingi side, other one is from Manikonda side. This is backside entry which connects to the Manikonda. This is the barricade which they did between phase 1 and phase 2. You can see they are constructing the boundary wall. In this block, it is available for sale. Other side, towards facing to the swimming pool area. This is the complete tower structure view. Yes, here they are doing the swimming pool. This tower's name is Rose Bay and Tube Rose. To visit this property, please contact us on below number. If you are watching our channel first time, kindly subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please like press the like button. Yes, now we have come to the corridor. It is in third floor for sale. 1605 SFT, east facing, ready to move flat, 1 crore, all inclusive, excluding the registration, corpus fund and maintenance. Once you get the registration or your name, you need to pay that corpus and maintenance. And this is the main entrance of the flat. It is 3 BHK, straight hall. It is very big hall. Across the flat there is a good ventilation. This flat balcony is facing towards the swimming pool. This is very big balcony. Here swimming pool will come. Once this construction completed, it will be a single community, phase 1 and phase 2. Two Bros has the two level car parking. Rose Bay has the only one level. It is only G plus 5 floors. Ground floor is the parking plus 5 floors. See, it is total floor plan. And now we are entering towards the kitchen and master bedroom other side, and this side there are two bedrooms, all are attached with washrooms. You can see there is no darkness in the flat. This is the kitchen. Flooring work is going on. This is the utility wash area. You can see there is a good space between the flats. They given almost 6 to 8 feet gap between the flats. This is your kitchen. This is the master bedroom. There are two windows. You can see very good ventilation in the flat. Fixtures work and sanitary work are in pending. They are planning to give handing over in the month of March 2022. You can take the occupation and start your interior work in the month of March. And you can expect your possession living from June onwards in the community. This is other bedroom. To visit this property, please contact on below number 79930178888. Kindly subscribe our channel if you are watching our videos first time. If you are looking for a property in west side of Hyderabad, this is second bedroom with attached toilet. This is the washroom. This is the third bedroom with attached washroom. (1605) SFT in 1 crore. It is very good, worthy property. Please, if you are looking for a property in 1 crore, a 3 BHK in a gated community, don't miss this opportunity. Call us immediately on below number. We will help you to own this property. It is RERA certified property, very clear title. You can go for the registration immediately. You will get the bank loan also.